Making chile rellenos, it's not an easy task. But once you do make them, oh my God, you won't believe the flavor, all the tradition that comes with it. In this video, we're gonna be making chile relleno, but not just one, we're gonna make 3 different styles. So don't go anywhere, stay with me because this is gonna get really nice and tasty. What's up people, my name is Omar, and this is Omar Over Fire. As you can see, we're gonna be making chile relleno. We're gonna do it right here. The first thing we're gonna do is these peppers right here. We're gonna roast them. Also at the same time, we're gonna be making some salsa for this. And the salsa we're gonna make is the avocado salsa. We're gonna be using tomatillos. We're gonna clean them up. We're gonna get rid of this peeling, and then we're gonna wash them off, and then we're gonna put them on the grill. For this, you need at least 10 of them, and then 1 red Roma tomato. I use like 5 or 6 jalapenos. We got our tomatillos, they're nice and clean. We're gonna put them on the grill. And like I said, we're gonna be using 1 of this. Now these peppers, we gotta really pay attention because we don't wanna overcook them, okay? The beauty about the chiles rellenos is that you can make different styles. You can do the filling and use like a hamburger with cheese, steak with cheese, and you can do just cheese. Today is a really beautiful day. It's nice, hot, sunny. It's a beautiful day today. That's what you're looking for. You don't want them burned. What we're gonna do with this is that we're gonna put them in a bag, inside of a bag, so that'll be nice and soft for cleaning. We're gonna put them inside this bag, just like this. That way it'll be nice and easy for cleaning. Look at this, we got another one. Nice. Our tomatillos are almost ready. Here in a minute, we're gonna remove this grill and we're gonna set up our pan. That's where we're gonna cook all the meats and everything. It's gonna be really good. I'm gonna put some of these jalapeno peppers in there for our avocado salsa. If they're like this, I use like 5. But if they're a little smaller, like this one here, I'll be using like probably 10 of them. So, just so you know. Now we got them all in the bag. What we're gonna do is we're gonna close the bag like this, and we're just gonna leave them alone. Look at that. We're gonna leave them alone for a little while. I'm gonna move those jalapeno peppers and I'm gonna put them directly on the coals. I don't know, I just like the flavor of the coals on my salsa. It gives it a distinct flavor, like a nice smoky burn flavor. It's really good, especially for the avocado salsa. It turns out really good. I recommend that you try that. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Listen to those peppers. They're popping like. Whoa, look at this, tomatillos are looking good. Oh my goodness, they look really good. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put them right here. We want to use one of these avocados and we're going to open it up. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is a good looking avocado, look at that. It looks really good. This is really easy to remove from here, look at that. Look at it. It's nice and easy. To this, I like to add a little bit of oil, black pepper. We want to use some of this. 1 spoon. Then we squeeze 1 lime. We want to take all of our peppers. And I'm just going to cut the tail off of it. Just like this. Look at that. Look at that pepper. They look really good. And we take this to the blender and we give it a go.
3 hours later.
Look at this salsa, guys. Wow. It's hot. It's got that burn flavor, and then the avocado flavor. It's got everything on it. It is really good. You may ask how come I didn't put no onions or garlic on this. It will change the flavor. It will taste different, okay? That's the reason why I didn't put no garlic or onions. It will change the flavor. And certain things I really like the onions and I really like the garlic. But on this salsa, let's not put any garlic. It's a little different and it tastes really good. The burn flavor changes everything, okay? All right, let's cook the meats. For the first one, we want to use some hamburger. I'm not going to cook much, just a little bit, just for the filling of those peppers. And then we're going to have some onions too. just like that. I'll put some garlic in there. And then we're gonna put our meat. We're gonna add some black pepper. And some of this garlic too. And then, in the meantime, we want to hydrate. Cheers. Look what I got. I got this thing. This is my coolie. I got that on Amazon for like 12 bucks. The first one is ready. Look at this hamburger, guys. Look at this. It looks so good. And that's the first one. Let's go for the second one. This is bistec or diezmillo, okay? This blade is nice and sharp. Thank you, Philip. Look at that. We want to chop off some of this because I want to eat some tacos out of this. And then the rest of it, we use it for our peppers. You want this meat to be on nice little bitty chunks. Kind of like when we do tacos, it's the same thing. It's the same thing, nothing is different, guys. It's just the same thing. The difference is that we're gonna put it on peppers. We got our onions, and we're gonna put some oil. That is perfect. If you had chile rellenos, what kind of chile rellenos do you ever had? Cheese, hamburger, bistec? Tell me, I wanna know. Because we wanna make all three of them. See, most people like to use tomato sauce on these peppers. We're not gonna use tomato sauce because we wanna use the green sauce that we just make, the avocado salsa. That is really, really good. We're gonna add a little bit of salt. Just so you know, this is 3 pounds of meat. I don't need that much, but since I wanna make some tacos out of this too, that's why I bought 3 pounds. If you're just gonna make peppers, you only need probably a pound, pound and a half of that, and pound and a half of hamburger, if so, okay? But this right here is 3 pounds. That's for the peppers, and make a couple tacos for me. Oh my goodness, look at this, guys. What's this? I'm just gonna have some of this real quick. Before I make my peppers, I'm gonna have one of this. Now, this is a really nice tacos. Don't go anywhere, we're not done yet. We still gotta make our peppers. This right here, this is 5 eggs that I did. All I did is crack open 5 eggs. What you do is you just open the top of it, use the clear from the egg, mix it up really nice, all 5 eggs, and then mix it up again, and this is what you get, okay? It's really easy to make. And this is what we're gonna be using for our peppers. This should be really nice and easy to clean. Look at that. Oh, wow. Look at that. The very next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna fill them up. We open it up just like that. We make a pocket in there like this. Now for this, you can use Oaxaca cheese, or you can use mozzarella. I'm gonna use mozzarella because I don't have Oaxaca cheese. And then we're gonna use a toothpick to hold it all back together. Now, Don't forget to take it off before you eat your peppers. You'll be having a bad day. We put it on the egg, just like this, and it goes right straight to the pan. What we're gonna do, we're just gonna make one of each. Look at that. Made that little pocket in there. This one, we're gonna fill it up with our nice hamburger. Then we pack it up with cheese. And then we close it back up just like this, and then we put it on the egg. And we put it in there. Got the first one. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at this chile relleno. Wow. Let's make the one that is only cheese. This one here is already open, as you can see. Look at that. This one here, this is all just cheese. This one, we're gonna add some of these onions. Whoa. Okay. This is right here. It's just perfect, guys. Let's cut it open and see what it looks like. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. And then we add this nice, really nice roasted avocado salsa. Look at that, guys. Look at this. This is perfect. Let's put it on a tortilla. Let's give it a try. Don't forget, take it off. Because if you don't take it off, you're gonna have a bad day, I'm telling you. Don't leave it in there. Look at that. Wow. Nice chile relleno with our salsa. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. If you haven't tried your chile rellenos this way, you don't know what you're missing. You gotta try them. Let's try one of the other ones. We'll take that out. Oh my goodness, look at that. I'm just gonna eat it just like this. Oh wow. This is just perfect. That's all it is. Just cheese and onions. That's perfect. We're gonna try the other one. This is hamburger. Take it off. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh wow, look at that, guys. Look at that, perfect. Can't beat it. This is really, really good, guys. Well, guys, thank you so much for being here with me today. This right here was the chile rellenos. We made 3 different chile rellenos and all 3 turned out really, really, really good. But this is all I got for you. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I love you and I'll see you on the next one.